Hello my dear students, I am Ashok, Maths faculty in Gudda Public School, Gudda Gorji. Now, today we are going to discuss about assumed mean method to find the mean when class marks x and frequency f is given. This type is the first type of assumed mean method. When class marks x and frequency f is given, then first make a frequency distribution table. X 800, 820, 860, 900, 920, 980 and 1000. Class x and frequency f is given. F is 7, 14, 19, 25, 20, 10 and 5. These values are given in this question. Now here we are going to find the mean by assumed mean method. It means first assume a mean from the values of x. Assumed mean method, it means first assume a mean from the values of x. You can assume the value of x. You can assume the mean from the value of x. Average value 800 and 1000. In between 800 and 1000 we can assume 900. It means assumed mean A is equal to 900. Here we are finding here assumed mean method, then formula of mean is equal to A plus summation fi di upon summation fi. Listen carefully. This upon is only between summation fi di and summation fi. It means numerator is only summation fi di. X f. Now find the value of d. D it means deviation between assumed mean A and class marks x. The formula of D, deviation is equal to xi minus A. Xi minus A. It means xi 800, A means 900, 800 minus 900, then value is minus 100. 820 minus 900, it means minus 80. 860 minus 900, it means minus 40. 900 minus 900, it means 0. 920 minus 900, then positive value 20. 980 minus 900, 80. 1000 minus 900, it means 100. Here value of deviation D completed. In this formula, see, we are finding here the mean by assumed mean method. It means we want summation fi di. Then first find the value of fi di. Fi di, it means product of frequency and deviation D. 7 into 100, positive 100 or negative 100? See here, negative, it means sign is also minus. 7 into 100, 700 minus 700, 14 8 ja 14 8 ja 112. After 0 minus sign, 19 4 ja 76, negative sign, 25 into 0 0, 20 into 20 400, 80 into 10 800, 100 into 5 500. Okay, summation FIDI is also completed. Now we want the sum of all values of FIDI. It means summation of FIDI. Summation of FIDI is equal to, here some values are negative and some values are positive. Then solve. 800 plus 500, 1300 plus 400, 1700. Positive values are 1700 and sum of negative values. Sum of negative values 11, 7, 18, 7, 25 and 60, 20, 80. It means minus 2580. One value is positive, another is negative. It means difference 0, 8, 880. Bigger value is negative. It means answer is also negative, minus 880. Now second value is summation Fi. Summation Fi, it means sum of all frequencies. 14 plus 7 21 plus 19 40 plus 25 65 plus 20 85 plus 10 95 and plus 5 100. It means summation Fi is equal to 100. Here put the value of A, summation FIDI and summation Fi. Mean is equal to 900 plus summation FIDI. It means minus 880. Minus 880 upon summation Fi. Summation Fi is equal to 100. 0 to 0 cancel. Value is 900 plus into minus, minus 88 upon 10. It means 8.8. 900 minus 8.8. It means answer is 891.2. This is the answer. Now next question. When class interval and frequency is given, in last question, class marks x and frequency f is given and we find the value of mean by assumed mean method. Now in this question, class interval and frequency is given. Class interval and frequency is given. Then first step is make a frequency distribution table. Frequency distribution table, it means class 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90 and 90 to 100. Now next frequency f is 10, 25, 28, 12, 10 and 15. Class interval and frequency is given. Now we are going to find the mean of this frequency distribution table by assumed mean method. Class is given. It means first find the value of class marks. And in previous questions we also studied about class marks. Class marks, it means lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2, or we can say the average of lower limit and upper limit. Value of class marks x is 50 plus 40, 90 upon 2, 45. Next is 55. Similarly 65, 75, 85 and 95. Now by assumed mean method, it means first assume a mean. It means value of a. Assume a mean from the values of x. You can assume 65 or 75. I am going to assume 65. Then value of deviation D is equal to xi minus a. xi minus a, it means xi is 45, a is 65, value is minus 20, 55 minus 65 minus 10, 0, 10, 20, 30. Value 45 minus 65 minus 20, 55 minus 65 minus 10, 65 minus 65 0, 75 minus 65 10, similarly 20 and 30. Here value of deviation D completed. Now find the value of Fi di, because the formula of mean by assumed mean method is equal to A plus summation Fi di upon summation Fi. Value of Fi di is equal to 20 into 10. Value of f is 10, value of d is minus 20. Minus 20 into 10, it means minus 200. Next is 20 into minus 10, minus 250. 0 into 28, 0. 10 12s are 120. 20 into 10, 200. 30 into 15, 450. Here some values are positive and some values are negative. First find the value of summation Fi di. Summation Fi di equal to, first sum of all positive values, 4 to 6 plus 1 7, 700 plus 50 plus 20 70, it means 770. Positive values are 770 and negative values are 450. One value is positive and another value is negative, it means difference. 0 2 3, it means difference is 320. Bigger number is positive, it means plus 320. After that summation Fi, it means sum of the all values of frequencies. 25 plus 10, 35. 35 plus 28, it means 63. 63 plus 12, 75 plus 10, 85 plus 15, 100. Summation Fi is equal to 100. Now put the value of summation Fi di, summation Fi and assumed mean A. X bar is equal to A means 65 plus summation Fi di is equal to 320 upon summation Fi is equal to 100. 0 to 0 cancel. Value is equal to 65 plus 32 upon 10, it means 3.2. After addition 68.2 is the answer. 68.2 is the mean of this frequency distribution table by assumed mean by step deviation method. This method is like as assumed mean method, only one step is included in this part. First, make a frequency distribution table. Class 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 15. Now frequency f is 6, 10, 13, 7 and 4. In this question, class interval or class and frequency f is given and we are going to find the mean by step deviation method. It means first make a frequency distribution table. It means class is given and frequency is given. Now we want the value of class marks for each class interval. For first class interval 0 to 10, class marks x is 0 plus 10. It means 10. 10 divided by 2 means 5. You also studied about class marks. Class marks means average of lower limit and upper limit. It means lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. 0 plus 10 means 10. 10 divided by 2 value is 5. Now 20 plus 10 it means 30. 30 divided by 2 value is 15. Similarly 25, 35, 45. Now class marks, frequency and class marks is also available here. Now find the value of deviation D. Deviation D, it means you also studied in last part in assumed mean method. Deviation D is equal to class marks minus assumed mean. Okay, now here first find the value of deviation D. D it means xi minus a. A means assumed mean. Then first assume a mean. Assume a mean. It means value of a is from the values of x. Assumed mean is middle value 25. Now D is equal to xi minus a. 5 minus 25 minus 20 minus 10 0 10 20. You also studied in assumed mean method. Now one extra step is find the value of u. It means deviation D divided by h. H is the height of class or class interval difference. Listen carefully. H it means height of class. In previous classes you also studied about bar graph, pictograph. In bar graph, if we denote 0 in intersection point of x-axis and y-axis, let first point is 10, second point is 20. If in 0 to 10 any value is given, then this 0 to 10 is the height of class. It means height of class is 10. Now height of class, it means class interval difference. U is equal to D upon H. Again listen, D is the deviation here, xi minus a. Value of u is equal to D means minus 20 and H means difference between 0 to 10 is 10. Difference between 10 to 20 is 10 and difference is always positive value. Now minus 20 divided by 10 it means minus 2. Minus 10 divided by 10 it means minus 1. 0 divided by 10 0. 10 divided by 10 1 and 20 divided by 10 it means 2. The formula of mean by step deviation method x bar is equal to a plus summation fi ui upon summation fi multiply by h. H means height of class. Now we want the value of fi ui. Fi ui it means product of frequency and the values of u. Fi ui f means 6, u means -2, 6 into -2 -12, 6 into -2 it means -12. Next 10 into -1 -10, 13 into 0 it means value is 0, 7 into 1 7, 4 into 2 8. FIUI is completed. Now look in this formula. We want the value of summation FIUI. It means sum of the all values of FIUI. First, positive values 8 plus 7 15 and 12 and 10 minus 22 plus 15, then value is -7. Now summation FI. Summation Fi is equal to 10 plus 6 16, 13 means 29, 36 plus 4 40. Now put the value of summation Fi, summation FIUI, value of A and the value of height of class is equal to x bar equal A means 25 plus summation FIUI is -7 upon summation Fi is 40. 40 multiplied by h. H means height of class. Height of class or class interval difference is 10. 10 1 ja 10, 10 4 ja 40. Now value is x bar equal 25 plus into -7 upon 4. Now you can divide 7 by 4 or you can solve by LCM method. 4 and 1, LCM is 4, 4 divided by 1, 4 times, 4 into 25, 100 minus 4 1 are 4, value is 1, 1 into 7 it means 7, 100 minus 7, 93 upon 4. After division, 4 2s are 8, remainder 1, 4 3s are 12, remainder 1, 4 2s are 8 and 4 5s are 20. Then answer is 23.25 is the mean of this frequency distribution table by step deviation method. If you having any doubt in any method for find the value of mean when direct observations are given, class marks x and frequency is given, class interval and frequency is given, and two important method of this chapter is assumed mean method and step deviation method. In these methods, if you having any doubt, then you can ask anything from me. You can comment me in comment box. Okay, best of luck.